How to retrieve responses in Google Forms. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can retrieve responses on Google Form. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to the Google Forms. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now, you have to open up your published form where you want to retrieve the responses from. So once you open up the form, head towards the responses tab by clicking on the responses from the top. After that, you can retrieve your responses by clicking on this three dot icon right here. There you have an option to download your responses on CSV format. You can download your response on CSV format and later on extract the file. If you want to save your responses as PDF, click on print. Here you have to select save as PDF under the destination and here click on page. You can choose the layout whether you want it on portrait or landscape. After that, click on save and your responses will be saved as PDF in your device. Or if you want to link the sets to your responses, you can also do that. Here it sends all your responses to a spreadsheet and you can manage your responses from there. So in this way, you can retrieve the responses from the Google form. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.